Quarantine forecast now, and Michael Fish watching things in our area. So all of this stuff is part of the same system here, Fish?
Yeah, and you know, when you have the big difference, Vinny, between really warm and humid air and then you have the really cold stuff, you know, those combine and not good things happen. And of course, we've been on the colder side, but not quite as cold as it's been off to our north and west. Check this out. Like as you head towards Minneapolis right now, they're still under a winter storm warning, 6 to 10 inches of snow there. You know, that's not that far from us. We've got ice storm going on off to our west, got winter weather advisories just barely off to our north. It is ugly out there and ugly for a lot of the country and parts of the state. Now, of course, we've been seeing round after round of rain. It's been adding up. Now, even though the heaviest of rain is done, that still has to go someplace, and it still is. Drizzle, maybe even a little bit of light rain right now in Waukesha. Look at the Fox River. Boy, is it up. I haven't seen it that high in a long time. 36 is the current temperature in Waukesha, so we are above freezing. Now, satellite radar, again, heaviest of showers out of here. Now we're watching these kind of hit or miss areas of drizzle, a couple of showers, but still, they're not heavy. That's out of here, but now we're still dealing with a lot of that runoff. Now, speaking of which, it's running off, of course, into the local rivers, streams, tributaries. Look at all the flood warnings. Sheboygan right down the lake, heading out towards 94, Waukesha and Jefferson. Now, these flood warnings for a lot of the local rivers that are at or above flood stage. Now, even though some of these counties don't have a flood warning, that doesn't mean that you're not dealing with your problems with water in higher rivers. So this is going to be something that we're going to be watching for days on end. Now, to cap things off, not only the flooding rain on these local rivers, but then early morning, maybe you heard this. They're called wake low pressures after a storm system with some heavier rain moves on through. Sometimes we can get one of these that move through with wind gusts between 40 and 60 miles per hour. A lot of verification at over 50 miles per hour. So, you know, with the saturated soil, some of these trees are just falling over. Now, it's still going to be breezy today, but not that windy. 52, the average high. Look at the difference. Vinny was talking about this before. The same storm system down to the south, a lot warmer and more humid. Look at the big clash in air masses. That storm system is strong around here. We're on the cold side, 40 in Racine, 36 Port Washington, West Bend, and Fond du Lac right now. Satellite radar swirl in the atmosphere. That's at low pressure. There are the bigger storms now going to be working their way through the south and east. Now, as far as us, we're dealing with that drizzle and rain. Tomorrow, though, could mix in a little bit of snow shower activity, but not expecting big accumulation. So there goes the low slowly. We're on the cold side of this. Now here we go for Saturday. It's going to be quiet, at least for a day, before the next one moves in for Sunday. But as far as today, scattered showers, some drizzle, 40 degrees. The heaviest is done, but this is all still running off. For tonight, showers, drizzle, a little bit of a mix of some freezing rain or snow late. And then for tomorrow, rain or snow showers possible. Again, nothing heavy. Any accumulation from snow would be light. Now, as far as Saturday, we're going to keep things dry, but more rain on Sunday. And then as we go into next week, more scattered showers, but at least the temperatures get a bit warmer. We'll be right back.